It appears you're referring to concerns about financial instability, particularly in the context of potential bank runs or a liquidity crisis. Recent reports or statements might highlight the Federal Reserve's reserves depleting or banks facing significant stress, which can lead to fears of bank runs. Bank runs occur when a large number of customers try to withdraw their deposits at the same time due to concerns about the bank's solvency. The Federal Reserve plays a key role in preventing this by providing liquidity to banks during times of crisis. However, if the reserves are indeed plunging to critical levels, it could signal trouble in the financial system, potentially leading to greater scrutiny of individual banks or the overall financial system. If you are referring to a specific incident or event, such as recent banking news or a financial crisis, I can search for up-to-date information to provide a clearer picture. Would you like me to do that?